Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be seeing if I can make some cards using my Cricut. And I need to make some birthday cards for people, so I'm going to have a look on Cricut Design Space, see what they've got and how easy they are. And I thought I'd show you because I've never made a card on Design Space or Cricut before. I've got quite a lot of card making stuff, so let's see what we can make. I've decided on the card that I'm going to make, and it's this Happy Birthday Thor one, and I think it looks quite cute. How well it's going to come out, who knows? And it gives you a list of everything that you're going to need. The colours of the cardstock, the mat that you're going to need, the scoring wheel, adhesive for paper and adhesive foam dots. So I've got all that stuff, and it tells you how to put it together. Well, I haven't got all the colours that it wants. I didn't have grey and dark grey, so I've substituted that with silver and some other colour. I've got no clue what it is. So what I'm going to do now is click make it, and it should take me to the patterns. Now what really annoys me about Cricut is they're not disability friendly, because they're now saying that these are the colours that I need to use, but that's no good when you're somebody like me who's completely colourblind. Why not just have score basic cut white, score or basic cut, and then the colour underneath it, because I have got no clue what these colours are. And anyway, that's my rant over. I apologise. Design Space, not that you're ever going to watch any of my videos, but please sort it out. I'm going to load these in and then cut them out, and once I cut them out, I'll come back and I'll show you how easy or not it is to put it together. I've got all my bits cut out now, and my envelope, and that's all ready, so I can put that to one side. I don't have to worry about that. And now what I have to do is work out which way all these bits go together. I'm going to sit and look at the picture, work out which shades are which, then pop it all together. I'm not going to talk you through the popping together, so what I will do is I'm going to film this and then speed it up so you can see how I do it, and then we can look at what it looks like when it finishes. I'm quite excited about this little project. Well, let's have a look at it now it's finished. I can't wait to show you. There's the envelope and there's the card. I think that has come out really I absolutely love it. It's just so comical. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some writing in there as well. And then I think I'll give that to someone for their birthday. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hope you found this interesting. It's a bit different to what I normally do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that little notification bell. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee just to say thank you for any of my videos and to help support this channel, then the link for that is in the description below, along with the link to everything that I've used today as well. So if you want to get it for yourself, you can get it for yourself. Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.